Hi, welcome back to INSSA Korea, where I'll share my life in Korea with you and we'll learn Korean along the way. I'm Sohee. So, have you ever heard of a place called Sinsa? So for people who know Sinsa, maybe they will think of like 연예인, celebrities, because it's basically a very rich area and there are some companies, like K-pop companies around there. So it's not a rare sight if you come across like any 연예인 by chance. And there are a lot of like high-end department stores or like boutiques and restaurants, cafes. And among all, I think the most famous has to be Garosu-gil, which is basically an avenue which is really famous for the sight in autumn, like for the autumn leaves. So along the two sides of Garosu-gil, there are trees, and in autumn there are autumn leaves on those trees. It will be like yellow and red, and it's really a pretty sight, and it's a must go in autumn. And we are going to take a stroll there, see how it looks like, and I'm going to bring you to a secret place. It is a cafe that looks like a sheep, and you can look at Hangang from there. Nice, right? I'm actually really excited about that, so let's go. So we've arrived line 3 Sinsa station. It's from the exit 8. I was totally attracted by these graffiti design. It's also just so convenient to just be able to choose your favorite flavors. See those cute cakes? Inside of the shop just feels like the outside. So this is how the founder of Chongsaenmul herself looks. This is a nice outside space. And inside, and they are doing this exhibit for the cosmetics. Do you realize actually the seats are cushion puffs? And onto the second floor, it just really looks like another cafe here. Some really nice space for you to take pictures and admire these art and beauty techniques. Beauty starts from you. Just believe. What a nice day with clear blue sky and all the birds hanging out. And here we are, this Ailey house. just by Hangang. It's literally inside this ship. And we are going to have our meal inside. I wonder why they save up all these wine bottles. And some extra space for other events. And another restaurant with jungle feel.
Garosu-gil.
We also went to another cafe called Sohee just for this pretty dessert. And came across these pretty Blackpink outfits in H&M. And now we're inside this cosmetic store called Tamburins. And this horse, I think, is what attracts all the people coming into the store. It's fake, but it looks so real. I love how they're bringing in the art and fashion elements into the store design. And they're famous for fragrances and hand creams. And on the second floor is totally a museum with all these art pieces. So how was Sinsa? And how was the cafe that we went to? If you want to go there, it's called the Ailey House. And it's actually not just a cafe, it's also used for weddings, for baby showers, and also for parties and events. There's also another pub restaurant just next to it, and I think you will really like it. And if you're really planning to go, remember to make a reservation beforehand. You can just choose your preferable seat. But one tip, really, if it's like in the summer and it's daytime, try not to choose the seats outside because it's only good for taking pictures. It gets really hot outside, so I just went back inside after just taking a few pictures out there. So yeah, inside you have aircon and all that, and the food also is great. We had pancakes, we had steak, so I really do recommend it. For more behind the scene, do check out our Instagram here. And if you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe, comment below. And also, do you watch these videos as well? See you there. Bye.